Bad debt refers to an uncollectible debt. The problem is to determine when a debt is realistically dead, which means there must be some evidence of uncollectibility, or a lengthy passage of time. Discharge in bankruptcy, the running of the statute of limitations to bring a lawsuit, disappearance of the debtor, a pattern of avoiding debts, or the destruction of the collateral security can all make a debt bad. For income tax deduction purposes, such a debt in business is deductible against ordinary income, and such a personal debt is deductible against short-term capital gains. A debt due for services rendered is not a bad debt for tax purposes, since there is just no income on which to be taxed.